Okay, so let's study and learn some JavaScript. So right now I'm trying to make a to-do list app, and we have this the input field right now, and now I'm gonna try to actually fill this up with something, fill this UL with the tasks. So what do I want? How to create and add HTML element to DOM JavaScript. Let's see what we get. JavaScript done create element. How to create and append elements to DOM. Okay, let's see this. Create and append elements to DOM. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's create element. Create element. Text bar has been created dynamically. Div. I'm gonna create a text node. And there in greetings. Div append child. Okay. Okay, so I guess I need to. What do I need to do? What do I need to do? So I guess I need to um so I need to get so basically I need to const uh taskly docu document dot create element li, right? And then what? Give it some content. Const new content equal document dot create text node, and this is going to be input field input field input field. mm, it's going to be input field dot value, or but I don't know how to input field. This is here, so this is on click. So actually I think this we need to put in here like this. So we're gonna say input field like this, I think, and then what? So new div dot append child, new content, new div, create element, new content. So what is gonna happen now? Okay, so then we're gonna say task li dot append child, new content, and then we're gonna get the ul document dot query selector ul. Then we're gonna say ul dot append child, what's it called? Task li. think. Actually, this is now going to be called add task. It's the add task. Let's see if it works. Do dishes. Okay, it does work. Okay. Do dishes. Code in Java, JavaScript. Okay. Nice. Okay. But now, as you can see, I already have this task manager created. So, hmm. Okay, let's do it without the task manager. Or should we do it with it? Should I do it with the task manager? Problem is, I don't know how to combine the class with the thing. Um, hmm. Well, it does work. Dishes, do dishes. Okay, so if I refresh, it doesn't persist, obviously. Um, how to use JavaScript uh, custom class with DOM JavaScript classes DOM manipulation. Nope. Nope. No. 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 Maybe can I not just like if I can, but this is it the whole to-do list. So let's maybe if we go const go let to-do list equal new task manager like this, and here we're gonna so input field, so we want to do list dot add task in actually first okay, I need some sort of ID. I need an ID and I need an ID. Okay, let's do it without ID first. Let's do it without ID. Let's just say that the ID is one. ID text inner input field and then completed false. Actually, let's not add an ID. Let's not. But the problem is hmm, we do need an ID, but I don't know how to do this with an ID. Let's think. Um, create an ID. ID. I don't. Hmm. make an ID for this. Maybe like something like let ID equals 0. Equals 0. ID is ID. ID is ID. And then what? ID plus plus. I don't know. I do not know. I do not know. And then let's say display to do is that display tab. Do dishes. Okay. Do coding. Okay. Actually it works. Okay. Actually works. Okay. So now let's add a delete button. A delete button. So for every list, for every li, we want to add a delete button. So so what now? Okay, so for every li, we want to add a delete button. So we're gonna say what? We're gonna say const delete button equal document dot create element button. Okay, and then we're gonna say task li dot append child delete button, and we're gonna say delete button dot on click. We're actually gonna make a function delete task delete task um delete task need the ID, have ID, delete task. How do we get the task ID from that? Okay, let's just see if this works. Let's see if this works. Code. Okay, okay. Delete button dot inner HTML equal delete. Okay, there we go. Okay. So now we want, when we click delete, the item should get deleted. When we click delete, task, okay. So delete task. Now actually we want, for this we want to render want to render the text of for this for add task for this. Okay, so I'll actually uh on click of add task, we want the new task to be pushed into to do 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 list object array tasks array. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so we have this. Okay, let's not do this right now. Let's not do this. Let's not do this. Let's just remove this. So we're gonna say for let I get 0 I less than to do less dot length I plus plus. We're gonna go console.log to the list of I dot text. Okay, so let's see now. Okay, there we go. Okay, okay, so now the lead task is gonna be simple. We're just gonna do function delete task with just delete task, and then we're going to add task. Okay, so we want, but now that I don't have, okay, we can set it, we can create it, and we can set its ID to the current ID, right? Oh, no, not the current ID, not the current ID, not the current ID. Wait, I'm gonna get this back. I'm gonna get this back. So I'm gonna try. Let's go. How do we get? Okay, so I'm going to make a whole new function and make a whole new function, right? So we're going to get all LIs in the UL. Okay, I think I do this by const LIs. I'll do this by document dot query selector all LI console log this. I'm gonna say okay, so they don't exist yet though. Okay, so what's now? So it LIs delete task. So I'm gonna say document dot query selector u li dot click. Wait, this gets only the first one, right? Okay, I'm kind of lost. I think this gets only the first one. So we're gonna square set console log. Okay, so just gonna say okay, let's just console the log. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, what do we want to do? Want to unclick to dictionary to unclick get or actually on create of task, give each task a unique ID which is its object ID. Okay, give ID to HTML element with JavaScript. And in HTML. Method JavaScript. Added ID property set attribute. Using the ID property, the set attribute the ID. Set attribute to add or modify any attribute including AIs IDs. Set attribute. The set user attribute to add an ID. Okay. So we're gonna do task dot l li task l. We're gonna do dot set attribute. We're gonna do ID ID. Okay, and then we're gonna get uh let li equal document dot query selector li, and then we're gonna console dot log li. Okay, so okay, let's see if this works. Do homework. Okay, this is okay. Okay, let's put this select file. Now either on click equal delete task. On click of no stating on. What? Oh, it's no at first, but then it's not. Hmm. Okay, bro, I'm gonna go ChatGPT. I'm creating a LIL HTML element inside uh, with JavaScript inside a URL element, and I am giving each LI element a unique ID. On click of each LI element, I want its ID to be logged to the console. Here's a clean and simple way. One quick listen with my lists. Okay, Japosha use. Okay, I'm not getting this. But what the heck is this? Bro, ChatGPT sucks. ChatGPT sucks. ChatGPT sucks, bro. How about this? It works for only the first, but not all of them. Yeah, if you want to delete and delete task. Press I delete for each. Add event listener, a target tag name, task E. Logs the clicked ID. Task E dot target ID. What? E dot target ID. Hmm. Is the event. Hmm. Bro, I'm so stuck right now. So I want to, but it's not there already. It's not there already. Can I just do for each? Okay, so for I'm gonna go back to my original plan. I want for each of the to-do list items, for each of the to-do list ones, okay, so for each of these, I want to do this. To do this for each of these. Okay, I am this. So not input field, but create text node. Want it to be to be to-do list I dot text like this. Okay, let's see now. Let's see now. Got the cancel button. On click. Where's this? Okay, this. Let's remove this. Okay. It's not rendering in the DOM though. It's not rendering in the DOM. I'm not getting the the tasks from the to-do list objects are not showing up on the page. What's there? This is like cargo owners problems. It is empty. Okay, am I? Oops, I am not. So I need to to I am adding a tester to do it, bro. The fuck I am. I am adding a tester. I am right here. It is not found. It is. It's not defined. Your element does not exist or is not an HTML yet. Yes, it is. And chart is nothing. Make sure you have task list. I don't have this. The view element does not exist or is not in the HTML yet. If it returns no. Create delete correctly, but do not add text properly. Here's correct the working version. Add text. Delete text content. Delete create delay. Text content. Okay, what? Add text, add delete button, the button tip. This is before the list to the list. It says nothing. Okay, it's not rendering each time. So what is happening? So this, when we add this, it loads only once and it doesn't. It loads only once and it doesn't. Just do to list dot display tasks. Okay, this doesn't get called. Doesn't get called. To-do list is empty from the get-go, and after adding a task and a task, it does not update it after the first console log. List is not an array, it is an object with methods. So doing property suggestion is undefined. So there runs. You must loop already started to do. Bro. My to-do list is an array. Class not the array itself. This is our class not the array itself. It's tasks. The actual array is like, oh. Really? Oh yeah. Oops, so this should be to-do list dot tasks. Right? Still don't work. Still doesn't work. Mm, yeah, wait. Yo. Okay, ChatGPT not helping, bro. ChatGPT not helping. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Bye.